And once you finish the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like that. And here we go, the car started. Hey guys, and I'm back with another vehicle. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install MyKey Premium Remote Start. I'm going to be working on 2020 Hyundai Sonata. It is also suitable for 2020 through 2023 models. This remote start kit is 100% plug and play. You don't have to cut any wires, and it works with your original key. You don't need to have anything extra on your keychain. And in case if you have a push button in your car, then we have a different video for you. But for this video, we'll be working with the traditional key start. Now, let me show you how to install it. In this package, you're going to get two sets of wires and a module. And for this specific model, make sure your dip switch is set up like this. 1 is down, 2 is up, 3 is down, 4, 5 are up, and on the right side, everything else is up. For this installation, you're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a trim removal. Now let's get started. So first things first, I'm going to remove this panel. It has 3 clippers, one on each side and one in the middle. And all you do is just squeeze them and pull it down. Just like so. All you're doing is you're squeezing this and pulling it down. So now we're going to disconnect this red connector. Just like that. All we do is we'll press this little pin, wiggle it around and pull it down. And now we're going to be connecting T-harness. All we're doing is we take 2 connectors, connect them to each other, and the other side goes back into the car's module. Just like that, make sure it's all the way in. Now this harness, we're going to run it to the driver's side. Without even removing it, just create a little space. Run the wire inside, and then we'll get it from the other side. And to hide this wire, we're going to put it right behind the carpet. I'm going to leave it as it is for now, since we're still testing it. But once it's done, you could put it behind the carpet. For this part, we're going to remove the seal, this panel, and these two over here. Let's get started. Just pull the seal, and this is where we need our trim removal. I'm going to pop this panel. Just like that. Now we have 1 and 2 screws over here. So now we're gonna pop this thing out, and there's a screw over here, and then the 1 screw over here. And 1 over here. Now let's pop this panel out. So from here you just pull this way and towards you. Just like that. And 1 from over here. You could leave it hanging like this, it's totally fine. And now we're going to remove these 2 panels. It's going to be nice and easy. First we're popping the upper panel. Just like that. And it has two screws. One over here and one on the other side. We're going to turn the wheel to get access to this screw first, right over here. And the wheel to get the other screw out. And we're going to pull this panel down. Just like that. Now we're going to unplug this connector. It's the same idea. Press this pin over here, wiggle it around and pull it down. Now we're going to connect it to our MyKey Premium T-harness. Just like that. And on the other side, plug it back into the car's plug. Just like that. Make sure it's all the way in. Now let's get our first connector from behind this panel. Pop it out and pull the wire out. Now this other connector is on this side. Now we could connect our MyKey Premium module just to test it out. This is a power connector, connects last. First we're going to connect it to the other connector. Make sure it's all the way in, make sure it clicks, and the power goes last. Just like that. And make sure before you put everything back together, make sure you test it first, make sure everything works as it should, and then use this video in reverse to help you put the panels back together. And once you finish the installation, all you have to do is press the lock button twice with one small interval. Just like that. And here we go, the car started. Once you're inside the car is still running, and you're gonna have a couple lights flashing, totally fine. It's in sleeping mode. All you have to do is put the key as you would normally would, put in gear, and you're good to go. And all the lights that were there, they're all gone. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video helps. Please leave a comment down below if you use this video to install the remote start on your car. Thank you. Bye 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 bye.